Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EUR/FX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's update our view on euro currency. So yesterday we said actually that you have just two ways to act on the euro currency right now. So either you are waiting for some big patterns that we're considering here on the daily chart, maybe on the fall time frame chart, or if you still would like to take some activity and trade here, it is possible, but unfortunately we do not have a clear directional patterns on the lower time frames. And mostly you could set your trades based on the trend direction. But at the same time, the trend trading is not as bright. It's a bit, has more chances to has more chances to fail, and trend is object for changing direction very fast. So it's a bit more risk with the trading of the trend direction purely without any significant directional patterns, which makes overall trading process simpler and more reliable. And based on recent action, you could see that trend that was standing positive in the beginning of the session has failed later in the session. In the United States market opened, and even the patterns that have been formed was not enough to support the former directions to the upside. So currently, trend has turned bearish in all time frames. I mean, for daily and intraday tradings, you can see that MACD is down on the daily, on the fall time frame chart, on the hourly chart, and that makes us think that we probably should get the drop to the 116 extension, 1618 extension. So that we said previously, since market here has acceleration and barely stands below the 127, it's really some chances that market will drop lower. So we do not cancel the overall pattern that we could get here, but it just means that it might start right from here. When the 1618 extension will be completed, here we start to watching for something bigger. So some response to the resistance that we have currently. Another reason why we think that this could continue, you can see the stock market that is starting to show some bounce up recently, now is dropping back. And on the interest rates in the United States, let's take a look. This is 10-year yield. You can see after the minor retracement, market keep going to the XOP, rising on the interest rates in the United States dollar. In the United States bonds always support the United States dollar. And currently, well, the market is going to the 1618. Euro could be under short-term pressure. Right now, that led to drop a bit more and hit the 1512 area. So that's the background that we have currently. On the fall time frame chart, take a look what we have. Market recently even has formed the grabber that we discussed. So grabber has been formed, and we even have got some minor pullback here up from the support area that we have discussed. But later in the session, it still has been cancelled and market dropped here. So this is looks very bearish performance. Market broke and simultaneously the important directional pattern with the 618 support and dropping lower, which makes us think that we could proceed lower. So take a look at 1618 extension of this most recent retracement. This market also stands at resistance here. Agrees with the XOP target that we discussed previously of this large ABC top pattern, which is the XOP. And it stands actually in the same area. Recent extension. That's why currently I suppose that trend has turned bearish as well. So currently I suppose that we could watch for something like the butterfly here, something on that sort. It really has chances to happen because actually because of the reasons that we have just discussed, and technically market already has broken for the support area. At 618 level has been broken. Now it's going down. So at this moment, I wouldn't consider taking the new long position by far, because by the two reasons actually. First of all, because now we do not have even the bullish trend that we've got recently yesterday in the trading. So we at least could put some trades around the support. As you can see, bounce here was not bad. And second, we do not have any bullish directional patterns. So that's why in the current circumstances, well, I think that we should not consider taking the long position by far. For bearish trading, well, again, if you would like to trade it, you again will meet with the same problems as yesterday. So this will be direction based on MACD, but you do not have directional pattern. So you of course could try, but be prepared for a choppy action that could change in any time. So if you would like to do this, you probably could consider possible taking of the short position here. Well, supposedly maybe some stops could be placed either above this area or maybe above this level. That market should not take it out if we're correct in our suggestion. So that's our current view on euro currency. Actually, the major idea that we would like to put in today's update is just to warn you about the taking any long position by far because of the recent type of action, recent price shape. And just confirm that we're waiting for something, some big pattern around the current areas. So probably it will happen, but a bit later.